Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Allie if you're new, and today we are going to continue getting the house ready to list and take pictures and all of that stuff. If you somehow have missed the fact that we are moving, we're moving, and I have a video that I will link in the description box below for you where I explain all of it, the when, where, why, all of that I explain. But today, we are gonna continue going through the house and getting rid of stuff. That is like step one on my list, is just to get stuff out of the house so that the house will look better when we take pictures and show it and all of that stuff. So we've gotten quite a bit done already, but today we are going down to the basement storage area. And I've showed it in my videos before, and it is just atrocious. It is so bad. So it's gonna take quite a bit of effort and time to get through it, but I've been wanting to do this forever, so I'm like dreading it and excited at the same time. My older two kids are at my mom's house. Andrew should be home any minute. He dropped them off. It's 10:30, which is a little bit of a later start than I'd hoped. But I'm gonna eat some breakfast real quick and then head on down there while I wait for him. I really need Andrew to be down there with me to make decisions, because this isn't just like our everyday stuff. This is stuff that we have accumulated over the years, keepsakes, you know, stuff from grandparents' houses after they've passed and things like that. Like this is stuff that requires both of us to make decisions on. I also just have like a lot of decor from the years of making YouTube videos and decorating for holidays and things like that. So it's overwhelming if I think about it. All right, I'm gonna eat some breakfast and then we'll head on down and see what we're working with. First thing we're gonna do is move this bed from in here down the hall into the office, and we're gonna set the office up as a bedroom. And then let me show you in here. This is mainly what we're working on today. All of this. Can you even believe it? This might take us a couple days. I'm sure it will. Alright, so I think we've decided that we're going to start on this side. This is more keepsakes, but we definitely need to go through it because just now we went through this one box and found bars of soap in there. This is just a box of like randomly thrown in things from the last time we moved. So we're going to go through this and organize it real fast, pull out stuff we don't want to keep, and then organize all this like in a neater pile, and then we'll move on.
Phases of the moon. Let's see. Is that appropriate?
Waxing crescent, half moon. So full. But it's not Indian open. Till next year. I thought I'd give y'all an update. It's kind of hard to record while we're going through this because it's just really tedious stuff and it wouldn't be very interesting. But here we are currently. It just looks like a worse mess, but we're organizing the mess, as Andrew said. So over there we have things that we're donating, stuff we're saving for other things. I have my canning stuff over there that I'm going to save. There's lots of keepsakes that we just need to box up now. My cookbooks, trash, and then we have even more stuff over here. This just needs to be taped up. It's all like Andrew's childhood keepsake stuff. So, and then in here, this is what this corner is looking like currently. A little bit better. We haven't even gotten to this side yet. Since we were in the storage room working, we just had to kind of pause for some life things, birthday parties and things like that, but we are working again today, and we're actually semi going to pause the storage room, and we wanted to kind of tie up some loose ends in a few other rooms just to, you know, say that those are completely done and we can move on. So we're back here in the office, which is now set up as a guest room. I actually really love it in here. And I am going through this buffet table and trying to clear out as much as I possibly can. So I just went through these two drawers, these two right here. They have like DIY essential oil supplies right now, but they were full of all of these Cricut supplies too. They were just kind of thrown on top. So I packed them all up in this one container, and then down here I packed up some more in this container, and then I'm gonna have to figure out like where to put all this stuff, but that's the stuff we're kind of doing right now. Oh my goodness. Tying up loose ends in these rooms. So after I get done with that, then we're gonna come in here and clear all this out. Okay, so now we're gonna go through this closet. The first thing that we picked out was this basket. This is full of Emmy's kindergarten homework that she brought home. Whenever we got like a bunch of homework, we would just put it in this basket because I knew I didn't want to deal with it at the time, but I needed a place to kind of corral it. And then at the end of the year, I think this is probably what we're going to do every year, is I will go through it and I'll pick out like 5 pieces that we want to keep. Here is a load of trash, and he's gonna take it all to the dump right now, but I wanted to show y'all before he took it, and just so I could document all of this stuff is leaving my house. Look at all of that. That feels really good. This is an air mattress that has a hole in it. The rest is like, it's just trash. I'm so excited. All right, y'all, so I think we're gonna end the video here. I am not done in the storage room, but this is gonna be a several-parter, I think, because there's just so much that we have to do. But I think we got a really great start in here. I'll show you another area that Andrew cleaned out today. I was really bad about getting before shots so I could show you the afters, and I'm sorry about that. But I'll show you our afters, and just trust me when I say that it is so much better. I mean, you saw all of the stuff that we threw away. There wasn't a ton that we are donating from that pile, although I did add to that stash. I popped a lot of things on Facebook Marketplace to sell, so I'm feeling really good, and I'll show you where we're at right now. Okay, so this is the corner that we actually started this video with, and there's definitely some things in here that we still need to get rid of, but we just made the area look tidy. So there's 2 air mattresses that I think they both have holes in them, so Andrew's gonna fill those up probably tonight, and see if they deflate. If they do, we're gonna toss them. But this area looks a lot better. Over here, we've just kind of tidied. It's not perfect, but I do feel like we could show this room, and I mean, people will understand it's a storage room, and at least it's tidy. So I think that even if we, you know, let people tour the house as is, I think it would be fine. But I know what's in here, and I know what I want to get rid of still. So I think that I'm still going to come down here and get rid of even more things. Okay, so this is all, well, a lot of it is clothes, like baby clothes, and we may or may not have another kid. I'm not really sure, and I'm super sentimental about clothes. So we're probably just gonna keep a lot of this stuff and put it in our storage, like a storage rental. Some stuff is party decor. That's party decor. There's Christmas decor, fall decor, but there are also boxes of things that I know for sure I can get rid of. Like this is mine, and it's clothes from years ago that I know I'm never gonna wear. So I'm just gonna like probably empty that out, things like that. And then here are, oh goodness, there's more. But here's like pillows for Christmas decor. I'm gonna go through, and the ones that I am gonna keep, I'm gonna put in those vacuum storage bags. Those are awesome, and that will save us a lot of space. And then this is like organization bins, and so I need to come down here and just really be brutal and get rid of a lot of that. And then I haven't even touched over here yet. This one's gonna be tricky for me because I don't know really what I'm gonna do with all this stuff. And then coming back out here, it doesn't look a whole lot different than it had. This though is our donation pile. So that will be going, and it's this stuff right here. So this stuff will be going, and that will feel really good to have that weight lifted. Over here is stuff that I'm gonna attempt to sell. That will be nice. I don't know if you all remember what this looked like before, but this is just a little closet that is next to and under the stairs. I'm down in the basement, and Andrew went through this today and cleared this out. And then I know this room doesn't look a whole lot different because I didn't really get a good before, but I went through all of these shelves and took out pretty much all of it. There's really not much left compared to what there was. There were some random things down here I got rid of. I got rid of all the things that are up here, or I moved it to a different spot. These backpacks are gonna go. So this really does, believe it or not, look a lot better. And I wish that I had had a good before to show you so you could be feeling really satisfied along with me, but just trust me on this one. And then I also went through all of these drawers and cleared them all out. This was full of notebooks and notepads and things like that, so I got rid of all of that. That feels really good. All right, so my memory card is full. I had to delete some footage, and my battery's about to die, so I'm gonna end this video here. Thank y'all for being here. Thanks for supporting our family and being excited with us as we are heading out on a new journey, moving houses and all of that. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more moving content. There's so much more coming, house tours and all of that stuff, so make sure you're subscribed. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. I share a lot of the behind the scenes stuff there, day to day. I also will do some updates. I love y'all so much. Thank you again for being here. I hope y'all are having the best day today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.